By incorporating regular digital detoxes into your routine, you can enjoy a healthier, more balanced and fulfilling life. Welcome to Daily Dose of You. In this video, I'm going to share with you 15 reasons to practice digital detox and the benefits. Let's dive in. 1. Improved mental health. Reducing screen time can lower stress, anxiety and depression by minimizing exposure to negative news, social comparisons and digital overload. 2. Better sleep quality. Limiting blue light exposure from screens before bed helps regulate melatonin production, leading to deeper and more restful sleep. 3. Enhanced focus and productivity. A digital detox reduces distractions, allowing you to concentrate better on tasks and improve efficiency. 4. Stronger relationships. Spending less time on devices encourages more meaningful face-to-face interactions, strengthening bonds with family and friends. 5. Increased mindfulness. Disconnecting from digital devices helps to stay present, fostering mindfulness and appreciation for the moment. 6. Reduced eye strain. Less screen time reduces digital eye strain, dryness, and headaches caused by prolonged device use. 7. Boosted creativity. Stepping away from screens gives your brain space to wander, sparking new ideas and creative thinking. 8. Improved physical health. A digital detox encourages more physical activity, reducing sedentary behavior and promoting overall wellness. 9. Better time management. Reducing digital distractions helps you reclaim time for hobbies, self-care, and personal growth. 10. Increased self-awareness. Disconnecting allows you to reflect on your habits, values, and prioritize, fostering personal growth. 11. Reduced FOMO, fear of missing out. Taking a break from social media minimizes the pressure to stay constantly updated, reducing anxiety and insecurity. 12. Enhanced emotional well-being. A digital detox helps you detach from toxic online environments, improving your emotional resilience and positivity. 13. Better work-life balance. Setting boundaries with technology prevents work from encroaching on personal time, promoting a healthier balance. 14. Improved memory and cognitive function. Reducing digital overload allows your brain to process information more effectively, enhancing memory and mental clarity. Rediscovery of offline activities. 15. A digital detox encourages you to reconnect with hobbies like reading, exercising, or spending time in nature, enriching your life. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. If you like what I'm sharing, please kindly subscribe, comment, share, say something. The benefits of practicing digital detox: reduce stress, less exposure to digital noise and pressure, enhanced relationships, more quality time with loved ones, increased productivity, fewer distractions lead to better focus, better physical health, more movement and less screen-related strain, emotional balance, greater control over your mental and emotional state. Thank you for watching. Thank you.